Hi, I'm Rachel and I'm an Engagement Support Officer. I nominated Ynyshir Youth Club for this award. I nominated Ynyshir Youth Club because it's not just a building, it's a safe, welcoming space where young people come to have fun. Our attendance is growing, which shows just how popular the club is becoming. The young people who attend are truly amazing, always eager to take part. As staff, we take real pride in making sure their voices are heard. That's why we introduced the suggestion box so they can share their ideas anytime. One of our favourite things to do together is TikTok challenges. And yes, they encourage the staff to get involved too. This youth is all about having fun and creating memories.
I come to youth club because there's not really much things about in the Rhondda, and it's really fun. We do like TikToks and there's loads of like activities and sports, and I really like the workers because they're all like kind and they're like kind of like friends.
I enjoy coming to youth club because I enjoy playing netball, seeing Reece and all the other youth workers.
So in Ynyshir, we've got a very, very good sporting contingent here. So we always have a dodgeball session, a football session, netball session, and anything else the young people want, really. So I would say that there's at least 20 to 30 young people every night running up and down these halls, kicking the footballs into the goals and generally just having a good time. And the staff get involved as well, and they beat us most of the time as well. We love working here. We love having them here. It's a brilliant place to work, and yeah, Ynyshir is a great youth club.